My name is Dave Ruzich. I'm the Senior Superintendent with Skender Construction, in charge of the day-to-day field operations at the Maywood Supportive Living facility. This original structure was built in 1929. We are doing a full top-to-bottom renovation of the property. Ultimately, it is going to be built as a 100-unit assisted living facility. We also have many tiers of preservation and restoration that are ongoing. Everything from original steel windows that were part of the structure down to original 1920 elevators that will be restored in place. The Skender team has been working very closely with Celadon, upwards of 18 months in planning and preparation for this project. 30 days out from the completion of the demolition and abatement scope, in which we will take the turn from finally taking things out of this building and start putting it back together to try and return it to its original glory.